Hello everybody, welcome back. Het is tutorial number 17 of the Blast from the Past of Christmas Past with Pat McGrath, Celestial Nirvana. Getting to tutorial 17, the last tutorial, loved the smokiness, loved it, adored it, cut, print, edit, do more. But we are gonna continue with just focusing more on the mattes, and of course, like I said, I was inspired by Alicia Archer, everything kinky sweat, everything moving, lifestyles of everything beauty and movement, that stuff. Today I want to do these three: Fabulousity, the Violet Vixen, and Nocturnal Nirvana. Let me prep my eyes, and we are gonna get into this. All right, so the eyes are blessed with the eyes are primed with the Pro Filt'r eyeshadow primer from Fenty Beauty. Guess they're blessed. So, without further ado, let us jump into this tutorial. First and foremost, let's do Lunar Lavender. Eternal Amour will be our brow bone highlight. Oh, goddamn. God damn. Yeah. That happened. Eternal Amour brow bone highlight. Oh my word. But the beautiful thing about this is that it can actually really tame down depending on how hard you push, how hard you tap. Look at that. Oh gosh, that is just so mesmerizing. Bam. But I need more on this side. They need to look related. At least distant cousins. Ooh. There's also something like plummy about this that I love. Ooh. My allergies are still kicking in. Yeah, Eternal Amour on the brow bone. We did that. We just went there because we can. Now, how am I going to do this? What do I want to do is actually the real question. Let's do Violet Vixen. Just down the middle like that. Yep. And pat it to the edge over here. And then we'll blend out the edges. That's going to be a lot of color. But I am getting vibes of, what is that? The Subversive palette with the Purple Rain. Oh my gosh, what is it? The Mini Mothership Subversive? The pancake? God for my Cyrus. Is it? The Mini Subversive Mothership palette has the Purple Rain, and it has that, ooh, that beautiful peach chrome, not chrome, metallic in there is also really nice. All right, and then we are gonna go ahead and just blend out the edges, because the edges always gotta be on fleek. Edges gotta be on fleck. I mean, do the kids still say fleek these days? Is it okay to be on fleck or not? Is thy question. Man, times have changed so much. I miss the early 2000s and the 2000s. It was a time to be wild. Born to be wild. Ooh. I always forget how much this truly does pack a punch. We have Violet Vixen on. Blend out some of the edges to the best of my ability. Now, Fabulousity will go in. Oh, this is gonna be so much color. Oh. I am already getting cotton candy vibes, and I am craving some cotton candy right now. Ooh, this is what we're gonna do and blend them out. Ooh, child. This. I'm loving this. I'm not finished, but I'm already loving it. Oh my God. This is a moment. Where two become one. Oh my God. Like, I'm just really loving the... This is like my cotton candy fantasy coming true right here. Ooh, ooh, child. This is everything I wanted and more. Ooh. Now the Nocturnal Navy, I'm still debating how I'm gonna bring that in to this. Don't know, but it has to come in somehow. Ooh. I hate the fact that it did that. Come on, pigment. These are pressed pigments, that's for sure. Now, Nocturnal Navy. I'm gonna start off like this to build up the crease. Ooh. And then bring it down to give us a little wing wing. A little floofer fly. Oh my God. And it actually shows up. It actually shows up on top of this. This is... They don't make palettes like this anymore, do they? Okay. And then we are just gonna build up the crease a little bit more because I actually want this to be the moment also. Oh God, gosh damn. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Oh, oh my word. I mean, you could probably even do a Harley Quinn look with this palette now that I'm thinking about it. Oh my God. Oh. I mean, this is definitely a look, that's for sure. Going in with a liner brush. Because we can. But I do want it to show up a little bit on the lid as well. But I don't want it to fully take over the Violet Vixen. Ooh. That's what we're going to do, y'all. Going back in with the fluffier brush and just begin to accent the outer part of this look. Ooh. That is definitely going to help. I mean, my brown eyes are really popping right now. See, this is what I'm talking about. With brown eyes, you really have to play with color. But you also need to find the right amount of color, the intensity of color, what is comfortable for you. Oh, this is like giving me cotton candy dreams. I'm loving this. I'm loving this so much. Let me do the rest of my face and we will see the final look in a moment. Here is the final look of tutorial number 17. It is an explosion of cotton candy. But we are here. December 17th, y'all. Happy holidays, even though it's still the end of August for me. Yeah. Love this look. I need to finish this quickly because my eyes are slightly a little irritated because I just did a tutorial before this and this is the second one and I need to do one more. So my eyes are definitely irritated for sure. But 17, y'all, loving it. Ooh, ooh, gorge. So, as far as the product breakdown, primer is still the luminous blur stick from Milk Makeup. I went ahead and brought it down to here on both sides. I love this look, to be quite honest. Under eye color corrector, Precious Light by Guerlain, and the Vanish #2 by Charlotte Tilbury. Under eye setting, I went ahead and did my Guerlain Meteorites, and I actually went ahead and mixed these three together. Like, these are self-adjusting, which I love. How much product you get? 8 grams. It's lasting quite some time, to be quite honest. Concealer is 8.5 medium, and foundation is 8 warm. No highlighter still. Bronzers, Airbrush Flawless Bronzer in 310. Blush, I went ahead and did a combination of, anyways, Divine Rose 2 and the Nude Venus 2 is what I did to bring that in, which I love this combination, to be quite honest. Benefit is still brows are still benefit, vice versa, sama. Lips are Opulous Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray to set everything, and the setting powder I went ahead and did under my eyes and a few areas is still the Airbrush Flawless Setting Powder into medium. 17, y'all. Tutorial number 17. I am loving this look. Obviously got a haircut also yesterday. I definitely have been losing weight. Yes! I love this look. Like, I actually want to just go on top. I mean, with this, the Utopian Dream, the Astral Venusian Astral Orchid or whatever, I'll put it here. That on top of this, these two, ooh, I got ideas. Like, I want to put it on top because no, mattes, sticking with the mattes. I will do tutorial with that for sure in the future in 2026 because that would be, ooh. Oh, see, this is like what I love about diving back into stuff that I have, because I start to get, ideas from the cosmos of the celestial divinity of Nirvana and Odyssey of ideas in the cosmos. But yes, I mean, like, 2026 is gonna be a year of just experimenting, grabbing. I miss that about YouTube, to be quite honest, and I figured why not be the person to create the conduct of the product. Wow, create the content that you would love to see, because it's all brand focused. It seems very political, to be quite honest, this and that. Whatever happened to just, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, it's Sammy. We're just gonna do a quick bronze goddess look, and then it's just from every brand in the plethora of brands. I miss that. Should go back to that. But it's also nice to do with brand focus here and there. But 2026 we'll play with brands. Anyways, without further ado, to see my final the final edits of the pictures, please go to my Instagram page. Obviously I will start posting on my community board on here on YouTube and obviously TikTok and stuff like that. But this is, the more I wear it, the more like I'm really loving this. And maybe that as a blush topper over just the Divine Rose 2 itself. Oh, see, Cyrus, get the ideas.